Hi guys, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you guys how to prepare this delicious Puerto Rican style beef and noodle soup. Guys, this is so easy to do, and you know what? It is delicious. So come with me guys and let me show you guys, I'm going to say this guys, how easy it is to prepare this delicious beef and noodle soup. Here are the ingredients. I'm gonna do half of this bell pepper, okay? And I have some pasta here, garlic, and I'm using about 7 cloves of the garlic. I have some bouillon, I have some celery. I'm gonna do potatoes, okay? Of course, we have to add some potatoes. And guys, this is cilantro, but this is the Puerto Rican cilantro. Onions here, and I have also some corn. So I'm gonna actually cut these in half. And carrot, we have some tomato paste. We're just gonna use half a can. This calls for 8 cups of waters. I'm gonna do 4 of beef, and then I'll do the other 4 of water. I have some sofrito. I'm gonna have some oil here, and guys, I have my beef. The beef is seasoned with an all-purpose seasoning. If you don't have all-purpose seasoning, you can do salt and pepper. It's just perfect, but you have to season the beef. So let's do this, guys. So guys, I'm going to be using my caldero to brown the beef. So I have my temperature here at a 7, which is a medium high. I added a little bit of oil because what I want to do is brown the beef, okay? We do not want to cook it. We just want to sear it. This is perfect, guys. We don't want to cook the beef. What we want to do is just give it a little color. And this is perfect. We're going to go ahead now and add 4 cups of the beef broth. And then I'm doing 4 of water. Now the beef broth is actually optional. If you just want to do water, just go ahead, do the 8 cups of water. To me, the beef broth gives this soup a delicious flavor. This is gonna cook for a good half an hour, guys. I'm gonna go ahead now and start by cooking my vegetables. I added a tablespoon of my canola oil. I'm gonna actually cook these vegetables for a good 5 to 6 minutes. Now guys, you can actually add the vegetable directly to the soup after half an hour of cooking the beef. Listen guys, I just like it this way. For some reason, it's more flavorful. So I actually did half an onion, I did half of a bell pepper, I did half a cup of the celery, I added my sofrito, I added about 2 tablespoons of the sofrito, and of course I added the tomato sauce. I only did half a can of the tomato sauce. I'm gonna go ahead and add some cumin. This is gonna really give this little paste here a delicious flavor, along with some oregano and some black pepper. I'm gonna go ahead now and add this to my soup. I'm gonna give it a little stir, and I'm gonna add my other ingredients. Look how beautiful this is looking, guys. I'm adding the beef bouillon. I'm gonna go ahead and add the cilantro as well, guys. All my cilantro. And this is what we call recao in Puerto Rico. But it's cilantro, guys. It's the same thing if you ask me. I don't know. It just looks so different. Anyhow, I'm gonna add my carrots. And of course, I'm adding my carrots now because they take longer to cook, okay? So this is the time to actually taste the soup. Make sure if it needs any salt. I am adding, of course, more salt because I did need some more salt. So this is the best time to do so. I'm gonna cover my soup, and this is gonna cook for a good 10 minutes. We wanna cook these carrots. And then I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and add my corn. This is frozen corn, so it doesn't need too long of cooking, guys. So then I'm gonna add, of course, my potatoes. Let this cook for a good 5 to 6 minutes, and then guys, we add the pasta. And guys, season to taste. I think it needed a little bit of black pepper and a little bit more of salt. And now we are ready for the pasta, and it's gonna cook for a good 6 to 8 minutes, guys. And this is it, guys. This delicious beef soup is ready, guys. I'm gonna let this simmer for a bit, and then we're ready to enjoy this delicious Puerto Rican beef soup. Guys, look how beautiful this looks. And of course, I'm gonna be adding some aguacate, which is avocado, guys. I love it. And I'm gonna be adding a little squeeze of lemon or lime, either or, guys. And of course, a little bit of Tabasco sauce. This is optional. It's just the way I like to have my soup. And of course, I'm gonna serve this with some Cuban bread. Guys, this was so easy. I sure hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.